What's that buzzing sound? It's bees. Be careful, they can sting. Ever wonder why? Well, they have a special pointy part called a stinger. When they feel threatened, they use it to protect themselves and their hive by giving a little poke. Ouch, we definitely don't want to get stung, but we do love honey. Bees make honey, and even though they're tiny, they're super important for pollinating plants and helping them grow. With their fuzzy bodies, bees pick up pollen from one flower and carry it to another, which helps fruits and flowers to grow. Pretty cool, right? Bee facts. They are incredible creatures that live in colonies called hives. They work tirelessly to collect nectar and pollen from flowers, which they use to make honey. Bees have a unique way of communicating with each other by dancing, allowing them to share information about the location of food sources and other important matters. Did you know? Bees are essential for pollinating flowers and crops, helping plants grow and produce fruits and seeds. Their important role in pollination ensures the survival of many plant species and contributes to the diversity of ecosystems around the world. It's quiz time! Let's test your knowledge about some of the incredible creatures we've learned about in Amazing World of Animals. Are you ready? Question number 1. What do bees use to communicate with each other? Is it A. Buzzing bee, dances, C. Singing, D. Sign language? And the correct answer is B. Dances. Bees use dances to communicate important information to each other. How did you do, adventurers? I know you did wonderful. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing animals. Wow, what an adventure! The world of animals is truly amazing and full of wonder. We should do our best to protect and preserve it for future generations to enjoy. We'll explore, learn and protect our amazing world of animals. Bye, adventurers! I can't wait until I see you on the next adventure. Bye!